Sometimes you wake up and for no real reason your heart already feels heavy. You have done your best, you have achieved things, you even have some of the things you once prayed for, but still, there's this quiet voice inside that whispers, "This isn't enough." You scroll through your phone and you see people your age doing more, living the life you wanted, looking happier, freer, richer, and just like that, your own life starts to feel small, not enough, like you are already behind. But you are not alone in feeling this way. Thousands of years ago, on a battlefield called Kurukshetra, stood Arjun, one of the greatest warriors, and yet he too was lost. Confused, afraid, torn between duty and emotion, full of doubts. And what did Krishna, the divine guide, say? He didn't say, "Win this war and you will feel better." He said, जब इंसान बार बार किसी चीज के बारे में सोचता है तो उसे उससे लगाव हो जाता है, फिर लगाव से चाहत आती है, और जब वह पूरी नहीं होती तो मन अशांत हो जाता है. Isn't that what we do too, right? We keep thinking about that one thing, the dream job, the perfect body, the ideal partner, the flawless version of ourselves. We believe that once we get that, we will finally feel enough. But Krishna reminds us, peace isn't in getting everything you want. Peace is in doing what you must, without being obsessed with the results. He says, तुम्हारा हक सिर्फ कर्म पर है, फल पर नहीं. That means if you are putting in effort but constantly thinking, will it work? Am I good enough? What if I fail? Then your mind isn't in the present. It's stuck in fear, just like Arjun was. And you are the modern Arjun. Your battlefield isn't Kurukshetra, it's your career, your mind, your relationships, your phone screen. But the confusion, the pressure, the feeling of being lost, that's the same, and so is Krishna's wisdom. Come back to the present, let go of the outcome. Just take the next step with honesty, with heart, and without attachment. Because when you stop chasing the result, you create space to enjoy the journey. And maybe, just maybe, that's where peace begins. In letting go, in trusting, in simply doing your part and letting life unfold as it's meant to be. If this message stirred something within you, share it, reflect on it, and remember, Krishna never said don't act. He said don't attached. Subscribe to Vedanta Vibes for more timeless wisdom for the modern soul. Om Shanti.